Hey guys, quick question. What if I told you that you could load a huge MySQL database in just 5 seconds? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let's prove it today. Before we start, make sure you already have MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench installed in your system. First, let's open MySQL Workbench by typing it in the search bar. Once it's open, we log into our instance. Now I have already loaded the database before, so I'll just drop it for now. Now here's the thing. Workbench is a GUI tool, which means when you load a database here, it runs line by line. That's why it feels a bit slow. But don't worry, in a moment I will show you a much cooler and faster way to load the same database using just the command line. Now go to your search bar and type MySQL command line client and open it. Enter your MySQL password. Now find the folder where you have your database.sql file. In MySQL, type source first, then just drag and drop your .sql file into the windows and hit enter. And boom, your database is loading. This method is faster because it runs directly into MySQL command line instead of going through phpMyAdmin. It avoids upload limits and uses MySQL native import engine, which is much more efficient for large files, even for 5 GBs or 10 GBs. Now let's open Workbench again and see if our database has been installed successfully or not. Now I will enter my password and instance again, and you can see here that our database has been installed successfully. Now I have typed a SQL script to check how many rows this database contains. Now you can see that there are 4 lakh rows in that database, and this database was bigger and has been installed successfully in within few seconds.